Okay, before we start, we have a couple of housekeeping things to do. You need to set your active quick bars to 4. That will get you 4 of these little bars where you drop all of your quick builds things. It's massively important that there's 4. And you also have to press Alt, which shows you what is inside of things. So we are going to Control and left click to pick up the entire contents of what we'll call a chest for now. Because we have bots, we can do fun stuff like that. If you didn't have bots, you would have to manually collect all of these trees. And that really takes a long time that I just can't be bothered with. Done it once, now effectively this is a quick start cheat, I see it as. So as I'm hoping you know by now, your miners will deposit directly into furnaces. If you don't, well now you do. And at the moment we just need to produce lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of iron plates. Whoever designed the pathing algorithm for these really does need to be taken outside and have unpleasant things done to them. They don't go for the closest. They don't ever go for the furthest either. They just sort of go randomly for things. But, well, I couldn't program it, so I suppose I can't complain. So we tend to build kind of 20 of these to start with. Which gets you lots and lots and lots and lots of iron. I will occasionally call these steel plates. Technically they are iron and steel is something else, but I will call them steel plates and steel girders, so you'll just have to get used to that. Because we have bots to start with, we can copy and paste things rather than manually picking them up and putting them down, which I think is a massive improvement on the game. And I've just noticed that we do not have a lot of stone, and we do have a lot of, well, we don't have a lot of stone, and we do need some. So we're going to pop 4 stone miners down, and we will align all of their outputs into that little chest. So they will happily fill up this chest with stone for us. I am loading 100 wood into all of my miners and forges, which is a bit wasteful, but there's plenty of trees, so I'm going to do my unleash my inner Sauron and burn down the forest. And there are no Ents to come and get me. Wahahaha. I think I did say this wasn't the right way to play this game or the correct way to play this game. It's just the way I like to play. Oh, and we've run out of stone, so we can go and grab our stone from there. Yeah, there's plenty of furnaces. I will probably call these forges a lot as well. I don't know if that used to be the name or it's just the name I made up. But if you don't have an absolutely insane amount of wood, you can build a little train. Nope, it's you. So this first one has deposited its coal into there. The second one deposited its coal into there, and it will work its way around. But because we've got a load of wood, I'm not going to bother doing that. I will keep these for myself. I just sworn I had more furnaces than that. I definitely had more furnaces than that. Where are my furnaces going? Could have sworn I built like 22 of them. I'm going to watch this back and see. So if you control and right click, you deposit half of a stack in something or half of what you have in your hand. So if you only had 50 wood, control and right click would drop 25 in. Which if you don't have effectively unlimited resources because you've cheated and put pots in early, can make a bit of a difference to the early game. But And this is our first group of furnaces completed. I'm just going to steal a bit more wood because I'll need some of that shortly. So now we are going to look at power.